Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the subtitle or turn on and select the subtitle for your movie that you are watching or series that you are watching on the Netflix.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then select the series that you would like to watch. Tap on it. After that, you should tap on this chat box or message icon down below and tap on it. And here you can see that you have two columns in the right side of your screen. Here you can find the subtitles section, and here you can see the available subtitles. So all you have to do is selecting your language and just simply tap on the relevant one, and as you can see in the middle of the screen it is loading. So in a few seconds you will be able to watch your series or movies with your selected subtitle. So here you will be able to see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.